It is made by simmering pork ribs with a variety of herbs and spices for several hours until the meat is tender and the broth is flavorful. It is usually served with rice and Chinese tea. Malaysia is also known for its tropical fruits, such as durian, mangosteen, and rambutan, which are often used in desserts or eaten as a snack. Durian, known as the king of fruits, has a pungent odor that some find overpowering. But its creamy texture and rich flavor have made it a popular delicacy in Malaysia and other Southeast Asian countries. In addition to its traditional dishes, Malaysia has a vibrant food scene with many modern and fusion restaurants that combine traditional flavors with contemporary techniques and ingredients. This has resulted in a unique and exciting food culture that is constantly evolving and changing. Malaysian cuisine is also known for its use of noodles, which are often used in soups and stir-fries. One popular noodle dish is mee goreng, which is a spicy fried noodle dish made with vegetables, meat, and eggs. Another popular dish is Hokkien mee, which is a stir-fried noodle dish made with thick yellow noodles, prawns, pork, and vegetables. Malaysia is also known for its diverse range of street foods, which are readily available throughout the country. Some popular street foods include a pambalik, which is a sweet pancake filled with peanuts and corn, and pisang goreng, which is a deep-fried banana fritter. Malaysian cuisine is also influenced by Islamic dietary laws, which prohibit the consumption of pork and alcohol. As a result, many dishes are made with halal meat and are suitable for Muslims to consume. Lastly, Malaysian cuisine is often characterized by its use of spices and herbs, which give dishes their unique flavors and aromas. Some commonly used spices and herbs include turmeric, ginger, lemongrass, coriander, and cumin. In summary, Malaysian cuisine is a diverse and flavorful culinary experience that reflects the country's multicultural heritage and tropical geography. From traditional dishes to modern fusion cuisine and street foods, Malaysia has something to offer for every food lover. Whether you're looking for spicy curries, fragrant noodle dishes, or sweet desserts, Malaysian cuisine is a must-try for anyone seeking new culinary adventures. In addition to the dishes and flavors mentioned previously, Malaysian cuisine is also known for its use of belacan, a type of fermented shrimp paste that is used as a condiment and seasoning in many dishes. It has a strong umami flavor and is a staple ingredient in many Malaysian curries and sambal, a type of chili paste. Another notable dish in Malaysian cuisine is laksa, a spicy noodle soup that can be found in various regions of Malaysia. The soup is made with a coconut milk and chili base and can be served with fish, shrimp, or chicken. There are many variations of laksa, each with their own unique blend of herbs and spices. Malaysia's dessert culture is also worth mentioning. Some popular desserts include kuih, which are bite-sized snacks made with rice flour, coconut milk, and palm sugar. They come in various shapes, colors, and flavors, and are often served as a sweet treat or as part of a larger meal. Cendol is another popular Malaysian dessert that consists of shaved ice topped with coconut milk, palm sugar syrup, and green rice flour jelly noodles. It is a refreshing treat that is especially popular during the hot and humid summer months. Overall, Malaysian cuisine is a vibrant and dynamic culinary experience that reflects the country's multicultural heritage and tropical environment.